Alright guys, it's Adam again with Workshop Wednesdays with another workshop update for you guys. So this week I haven't really done a whole lot. I haven't done really anything in the shop, but I have actually done some wood stabilization. I actually ordered a stabilization kit and I've been working on that, and so far so good. I haven't really tested any pieces out. That's what I'm going to be filming today. And hopefully that video is going to come out for you guys next few weeks or so. It's going to be a knife, so I got a knife kit. It's going to be awesome. If you guys haven't checked out my end table build, definitely check it out. It was so brain racking and fun. It actually got really irritating at one point, but I actually had a lot of fun. I learned a lot from it, and I am going to revisit that video again. Do another one of those, because at end table I got a ton of ideas on how to make it better. So I also turned a ring lately, and I just finished doing the editing on that one, so that one should be coming out in a week from tomorrow, or a week from Wednesday, and so keep an eye out for that. And that's really about it. I haven't really been doing much else. I do have a question for you guys, though. I have these ugly root balls, basically. They're from a tree that was flipped over. I actually cut the root out. I had two of them, really big ones, and I cut them out last year. I let them dry out, and now I don't know what to do with them. I'm thinking I could try and stabilize part of it and do something with it. I'm not real sure. There's not a whole lot of figure in it, I don't think. Can't really tell until I stabilize it, but I think it'd be better off with some kind of casting project. I'm not really sure. So if you guys have any idea, leave some comments below. Hit me up on Facebook or Instagram, and maybe I'll be able to do whatever you come up with. I don't know. We'll see. I think that's about it. I am going to be launching a Patreon page soon, because this is getting a little bit more expensive than I had originally anticipated, and I really want to continue doing this, and I want the projects to be awesome. I don't want them to be extremely lame. I can turn pens all day. Those are cheap to make, but you guys aren't going to watch me turn pens all the time. So just give me a like, share the video, kind of get it out there, so that will help me immensely for people that want to contribute to the channel. And if you would like to contribute, just go ahead and do so. Let me know either in the comments or when those pages come up. So that's about it. I'm really looking forward to what's going to be coming up in the channel. I got some really neat ideas, and I really can't wait to get those out to you guys and share them and everything. So keep an eye out, keep checking back, and soon, maybe in February, I'm going to start my weekly projects rather than just a weekly shop update. It'll be weekly projects. So I'm hoping I can get that started in February. It depends on how things go. So keep an eye out. Let me know what you think, what you hate, what you like. Doesn't really matter. Just let me know so I can better this channel. And thanks a lot.